Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to check mutual friends on Facebook. It is a very simple step. Firstly, open your Facebook applications. Now, go to your friends option or the friend that you want to check the mutual friends with. Now at the bottom, you can see the option menu at the right side. Tap over there. Now let's say you want to check mutual friends with one of your Facebook friend. Now all you have to do is tap on see all friends. Here you will be seeing list of the friends that you have or you are connected on Facebook. Now tap on the one that you want to check mutual friends with. Now it will guide you to their profile. All you have to do is scroll down. There also you can see the option of see all friends. Tap over there. Now at the top you can see three options: suggestion, mutual and all. All you need to do is tap on mutual. And here you can see all the mutual friends that you have with your friend. Currently I don't have no mutual friends with each other, but this is how you can see all the mutual friends that you and your friend have. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.